Alright guys, welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial channel, and today we'll be doing this transparent bottle. So first let's change the units to millimeter gram second. You can find it here at this bottom right. You click on it because you'll be doing the design in millimeters. And then you go to sketch. You select the front plane. Okay, so you can use your middle mouse button to scroll up and down a bit. You click on the line tool. You start from the origin, so you click on the center of the origin. You move to the left, you click, then you hover over this point a bit so that you can activate the arc command so that you have a continuous sketch. Then you move to the desired point, you click, you go up to get another line, you click, then another arc here for the fillets. Again, click a short line here, you click, then you go up, you click. Okay, so you can now give it the dimensions. Here should be 11 yes, 11. Then this should be, you click this line here, you click this line here, this should be 55. Good. Then this should be 12.5. all right, so you go to the fillets or the arcs, you click on them. Sorry, let's start again. Smart dimension, click on it, then go to the arc. 3.2, and here too, click on the arc. 3.2. Okay, and then this line here, click here, click here, to 1.5, and that is going to be the same as the offset distance. So you are done with the sketch, you want to go to the offset, click on offset up here, change this to 1.5, that's the offset distance, and make sure that select chain is selected, so that when you select one, as you can see, it selects all of them, so you don't have to keep on clicking all the other lines and arcs. So you go to OK, and then we close the ends of the sketch. So you click here to close it. Come here, we need a small arc for this, here and here. Smart dimensions. Okay, so we can make this for 1.2. Okay, then the last thing to do, I think, is we fillet here. The fillet is supposed to be 1.5 mm. So click on this corner here to fillet, and then you can check the green box. Sorry, the last thing to do is, this is going to be a revolved part, so we need a center line along which it revolves. As you can see, this is just half of the cross section, because for revolve we don't need the full cross section, we just need half of it, and it will go around the center line here. You will see it later. So let's go to exit so that you go to the 3D interface. Okay, so you can select your sketch here and click on revolved. Then now we need to select our center line, because we need an axis around which it will revolve. So we click on the center line, and then there you have it. Check the green box to finish. Great. Now the next thing to do would be to make the threads around the side here, and then we'll be done. So the first thing, let's try to show the sketch of the revolve. Sorry, not edit sketch. I wanted to show the sketch. So show, and then we make a sketch on the front plane. So first, let's draw a circle anywhere. We give it the dimension of 2 mm. Yep, and this circle from this line here should be 0.5. Quite close, but not close. And then from the bottom here, sorry, let's start the sketch again. Yeah, it should be 4 or 5, I believe. Okay. All right. So now, sorry, this should be 0.2. My bad. Okay. So now we would need, let's draw this line, center line here to go down. We will need it for a plane later. So let's go down. Sorry. And that should be all for this sketch. Let's go to exit. Then we need another sketch for, so this will be the cross section for the revolved thread. Then we need another one to show where the path will be. So first, let's make a plane. We click on the center line here, and then this point, end of the line, point here. Go to OK. And then we click on this plane. That is the plane we are going to make our sketch on. Sorry, click on the plane and then select sketch. You can, when you click this normal to it rotates it, so we just want to use this outer diameter here because that is the path along which the thread will pass. So we'll go to convert, click on this outer diameter, and OK, and then exit. So that will draw. We can hide this sketch now, I believe. Sorry, not the revolved sketch. Okay, so now we have this circle here. We have to make the helix out of this circle. So first go to helix and spiral, then click on this sketch. Then you see that it's already doing something. So for pitch, we would be using 3.3, I think. And then for revolution, 0.2. Okay, so let's reverse that. Let's reverse the direction because it's going down. We want it to go up. We click on reverse direction, and there you have it. I think we can reduce this to 1.75, and then okay, sorry, let's maintain the 2.2 and see if we start from. We want it to start from where the sketch is. So let's play around with this. Okay, 270 should do. Okay, so now it starts here and ends here. Let's make it 2, should be okay. Then click here to finish. So now we have our cross section and our path. We can do the thread now. So go to let's go to swept Bose base. For the profile, sketch profile, we click here and we click the sketch, and for the path we click this helix. There we have it. You can click. Let's not combine it for now, so you can uncheck the merge result so that it doesn't merge it too. Go to OK. Okay, sorry. So one thing we can do here to finish up nicely is we could let's make a sketch here. And then let's convert this guy here. Okay, so draw a center line. Let's see, from here to here should be good. Okay, sorry, they didn't get it well. Okay, let's see if we can convert this line here. Yes. Okay, so we trim this here, here, here. Then we have this here. Then we exit. We try and do the same for the other end to make it nice and smooth. You go to sketch, click here, here, we convert this face, click, we convert this line again, then we trim, we trim here, we trim here, we trim this. There we go. Exit. Okay, so now what we can do now is that we revolve this to make a smooth end. Revolved, we select this sketch, axis of revolution, this end here, and then don't merge it for now. The same as here. Revolved, select this sketch, axis of revolution, this line here, and then enter. So don't merge, enter. Okay, so now we can combine all bodies so that they form one nice piece. We can hide this for now and hide this plane too for now. So go to, you can search here for combine, then yes, make sure add is selected. You select this, you select the threads and the ends, and then you go to check this. So now they are one beautiful piece. Okay, so the next part of the tutorial we are going to be doing it in Keyshot, but let's give this an appearance. We can give it a glassy appearance, or we can give it a clear plastic appearance, whichever one we want. Okay, and then plastic, we have the clear plastic here, which we can use, just drag and drop. There you have it. And then we can also give it a high gloss plastic, like a yellow. You can also just drag here or drag and drop. Get it? Drag and drop. So you can just use, you can just drag and drop and select body so that it just selects everything as one body. Okay. Okay. So there we go. We have something like this. And it's cool. Okay, so let's save it and go to sim. Sorry, you can save it. Then we go to Keyshot and then render it nicely there.